A lot of times when I sit down to create, I actually don't have anything in mind. I really don't know what I'm going to work on. Sometimes it's a new material that I want to try, or maybe it's an idea that I've seen somewhere else that I want to put my own spin to. But I don't come in with a fixed outcome in mind. And that's really freeing for me. That blank page can still be so intimidating, even with that mindset. I've decided that that's okay. I just dive in, and if I love what I'm doing, fine. If I hate it, that's fine too. I can just set it aside and start again. So this channel is really about documenting that process, and the doing is the point. The being present is the point. I think what really matters is just showing up and doing it and creating anyway. If that resonates with you, I'm glad you're here. Thanks for joining me.